Hello students, welcome back again to the maths video class of standard 5. In your paper style, question number 4 is state the factors of the following numbers, and number B is state the following first two multiples of given number. So today we will solve this type of questions in this session. So let's start with state the factors of the following number. Children, as you know, a number which divides a given number exactly is called a factor of the given number, or in other words, a factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. The given number is called a multiple of each of its factors. And 1 is a factor of every number is a factor of itself, and every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. 1 is the only number with only one factor, namely itself, and the number of factors of a given number are finite. So let's find out the factors of 45. Here 45 is given. Now we have to find out the numbers which divides this 45 exactly. Means we have to find out the exact divisor of that number 45. So here 1 into 45, 45 ones are 45, then 3 means 3, 50, 15 3s are 45, 5 9s are 45. Means in this all table this 45 is coming. Hence factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. So let us find out factors of 45. So we have to find out the exact divisor of 45, or the numbers which divide the 45 exactly. That means 1 into 45, 15 3s are 45 and 9 5s are 45. Now second number, factors of 30. So which are the exact divisor of 30, or the number which divides 30 exactly? Table of 1, in 1 30 is coming, 2, also 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. So 1 30s are 2, 15s are 30, 3 10s are 30, 5 6s are 30. That means in this all the numbers of table 30 is coming. So these all number are exact divisor of 30. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. These all are the factors of 30. Now factors of 36. Now number 3, factors of 36. So 36 is coming in which tables? 1 36 are 36, 2 18s are 36, 3 12s are 36, 4 9s are 36, 6 6s are 36, 6 6s are 36, 9 4s are 36, then 12 3s are 36, 18 2s are 36, 36 1s are 36. That means these all the numbers are exact divisor of 36. This number divide 36 exactly. So these are the factors of 36. In the table of 1 it is coming 36, in 2, in 3, 4, but in 5 not. So we are not writing 5. Then 6, yes, in 6 table 36 is coming, so 36. So 6, in 7 not, 8 also not, 9 yes, so 9 4s are 36, 10 it is not coming, so 11 also not, 12 yes, 12 3s are 36, so 12, 13 14 15 16 17 no. In this all table 36 is not coming, so directly 18 2s are 36 and 36 1s are 36. Hence factors of 36 are 1 2 1 2 3 4 6, then 9, 12, 18 and 36. Now here question is, state the following first two multiples of given number. So children, as you know, we can find out the multiples by multiplying the given number with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and so on, and the multiples of any number are infinite. So your given number is 5. We have to multiply this 5 number with 1 and 2 only, because first two multiples are asked. If first 5 multiples are asked, then we have to multiply this number with 1 2 3 4 and 5, but here only 2. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So the first two multiples of 5 are 5 and 10. Now second one is 8. Here also we have to multiply this 8 with 1 and 2. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So this 8 and 16 are the multiples of 8, means the first two multiples of 8. So the first two multiples of 8 are 8 and 16. Children, here I am also sharing one PDF for your practice for this type of sum, to find out the factors and multiples of the given number. So children, practice well and study hard for the maths paper. Thank you.